Good evening, folks. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and I was asked a couple of questions about how to do certain things on a YouTube channel, and I'm going to go ahead and answer them now. The first one was, how do we add a contact? Okay. Right up here, you see the word Speed Learner, and where I see the word Speed Learner now, you're going to see this on your channel. Okay, you have to go to your channel. And when you go to the drop-down list, this is a drop-down list here, you're going to go to Inbox. See where Inbox is right over here? I'm going to go just a little bit closer. See Inbox? You're going to click that. And then you're going to go down here. Got your inbox, personal messages, share with you, comments, contact notifications, video responses sent. And down here you're going to have address book. And what you're going to do is you're going to click Add New, right up here. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste the username of the person you want to establish a contact with right here, and you'll hit Save, and then it'll send an invite to them, and then they'll say, you know, do you want to add me as a contact, and then so on and so forth. That's how you do that. Alright. The second one, you have to go back to my channel, and I'm going to stop this video for a second. Okay. Now, the second question I was asked is, well, how do I make a channel private? Now, I'm going to give some notation about this in just a second, but right now I'm going to literally show you how to make a channel private. First of all, you're going to hit Channel Settings, like this. And no, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're not. No, you're going to go up here instead, and you're going to click Settings here. Sorry, you're going to click Settings right here. And then on Defaults, then you're going to see Privacy, and you'll have three options here. Public, which is what I have. Unlisted, which means that they'd really have to try to look for you in order to find you. And private, which would mean that nobody would be able to find you at all. Okay. Now, having said all of that, I'm going to go ahead and put my tripod back in here. Just bear with me for a second, because I do want to give some notation here. Just a second. I know I'm kind of tipping down and being googly, whatever, but I'm going to put my little tripod back on here, because I do want to talk to you. There. That's nicer. Hopefully you can see me. Let me go ahead and take a look out this way. Yeah, you can see me. That's pretty good. Oops. Let's make sure the tripod stays up intact. Now, when it comes to a YouTuber wanting to be completely private, my answer to that is this. If you go completely private, okay, you're not going to be able to help very many people. But that is your choice. You know, it's your choice, your decision. I would much rather have a situation where a channel was semi-private, but then had a person like me to back them up. In other words, somebody started giving you a hassle, you would refer them over to me, and then I would give them a hassle, and then they would leave you alone. They'd be too busy dealing with me to deal with you. That would be the preferred situation. That way, if people really sincerely need help, they can contact you, and if you can't help them, you can send them over to my channel, and I can help them. This is something that even Booball1067 has learned. If somebody contacts her and she can't help them, she goes and sends them to me, and then I do my best to help them. And obviously I've got a lot of resources, I got a lot of books, so I really can help people in many directions. Maybe not in everything, but in a lot of directions I can. So I would suggest a semi-private approach. That way people would have to actually look for you in order to find you, and then if they actually did, they might ask you for help, They may just want to talk to you, that kind of thing. And then, you could form those friendships and that kind of thing. And if they gave you a hassle, like I said, you can send them over to me, and I'll take care of them. As I have no problem talking to anybody. I'm a very social creature, so yes, send them my way. If they have a problem and you can't help them, send them my way. I'll take care of that. Alright? So, like I said, you can set your channel for whatever you like, but it's best to have a YouTuber that's not only more prominent on the chain, but also is more of a social creature, so that if you have a situation you don't want to deal with, you send them over to me, and I'll deal with it. Okay? Because I have no problems dealing with most situations. I really don't. So, like I said, you can set your channel for whatever you like. You now know how to do that. And if you have any problems, you let me know. I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.